Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what are your energies, Sagittarians. What's going on your side? So on your side we have the Five of Pentacles. Feeling abandoned, feeling left out in the cold. Somebody has either turned down your offer, or something has really happened over here which is not making you feel in a very good position. So you're not in a very good shape. You're feeling left out and ignored and rejected by someone here. Let's see what's on your person's side. On your person's side, we have the Nine of Pentacles. So this person is focusing on their own well-being, on their own happiness, taking a break, and just trying to focus on themselves. Let's see what is the most likely outcome in this connection. The most likely outcome, we have the Death card. Okay, so something is ending over here. It's coming to an end. Something is definitely coming to an end over here. Okay, so let's see what is this Five of Pentacles about. Why is this Five of Pentacles here for Sagittarians? So for the Five of Pentacles, we have the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, again the Death and Rebirth, Eight of Cups, the Five of Wands. Okay. So let's see, why is this Nine of Pentacles here for? What is this Nine of Pentacles about on your person's side? Why is this Nine of Pentacles on your person's side? So for the Nine of Pentacles, we have the Justice, the King of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Star. But then why is this Death card here for as the most likely outcome? Why is this Death card here for as the most likely outcome? So for the Death card, we have the Two of Wands, the Two of Swords, the Ten of Wands, yes, the Four of Swords, Five of Swords. Nothing great is coming up anyway. So Sagittarians, something has really happened in your life which has really caused you a lot of agony and a heartbreak, and that something seems to be some sort of an argument or a conflict which has happened. There has been some sort of a disagreement which has turned out to be a major heartache over here. So perhaps it didn't even start off as a major conflict or something. It wasn't that huge, but I don't know what has happened over here, but it has really caused you a lot of heartache. So it started off basically as you were totally glued to this person, really attracted to this person, but then something has really happened which makes you detached and turn cold in this relationship. Okay, though you did try to balance it in some way, shape or form, but yes, there is a lot of heartache over here with the Three of Swords, and it's because of this heartache, I don't think that you were able to balance it or sort it out. So there is that cold energy or that non-communication type of an energy over here because of some sort of an argument or a conflict which has happened in this relationship. Okay, so there is either some sort of a disagreement, which is a major disagreement, or some argument or some fight. I don't know what has happened or what level, but the impact is great. Okay, even if the argument was small, I don't know, but because it is the Five of Wands, which is a minor arcana, that's what I'm saying. It doesn't seem to be that huge, but it has a huge impact. It has really, you are in a very agonizing type of a pain. It is, you are feeling heartbroken totally, in spite of you're trying to sort out your life. That's what I feel. It's not really easy for you. So the passion has been killed. First of all, whatever the passion was, immediately after this, it is just a sort of a jolt for you, and it's total detachment and turning that ice cold type of a communication. You're trying to sort out your life, but it's really heartbreaking. So this thing is definitely ending from your side, and with the Eight of Cups, you're choosing to walk away from this situation or from this relationship, and because it has really left a bitter taste in your mouth. Okay, so even if there are some confusions or whatever it is, but it has had a huge impact. As far as your person is concerned, this person is focusing on themselves, taking a break and just focusing on themselves. For them, we have the Justice, the King of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles and the Star. So what I feel is this person seems to be in a better position than yours as far as the effect of this relationship is concerned. Maybe they have turned down the offer. I don't know what have they done. But yes, with the Justice, this person is balanced. Either they are balanced or they are trying to sort out their life. This person seems to be very much emotionally mature. They are, what I am getting here is this person is wishing for something to come true in their own life. They are balancing out their life. They are sorting out their life. They are working hard on their emotions. It's something like that. The Justice, the Seven of Pentacles and the Star. So they have something, either they are undergoing a lot of healing. Okay, so this person is either trying to balance their emotions. That's what I feel. They are busy in their own life trying to balance their own emotions. They have a lot of emotions, perhaps even for you, but they are trying to balance them. They know they have invested in this relationship, but whatever it is, the Star card is also talking about healing. I think their wish is to balance their own life somehow. That is, or balance to gain that emotional stability, something like that. Okay. So this person wants emotional stability. They want to focus on their own things, and they want to sort out their life or balance their own life. That's what it says, and maybe that is why they have not paid attention to the relationship. As the most likely outcome is the Death card, so it is definitely seems to be an end of this relationship. And for that we have the Two of Wands, the Two of Swords, the Ten of Wands, the Four of Swords, and the Five of Swords again. So we have the Five of Wands there and the Five of Swords. So definitely some sort of an argument or a conflict has happened over here. This argument, maybe somebody was always waiting for the other person to make a decision, but other person was too focused on themselves. They couldn't, I should say, focus on this relationship, because this person is, I think, working on their own emotional stability somehow. That's what I'm getting. This person is totally trying to heal themselves. Okay, they have had a past, perhaps they are healing themselves, and the other person is perhaps waiting for them all the time. With the Two of Swords and the Two of Wands, the option here is the need to decide as to what to do. And ultimately what is happening here is, in spite of waiting and waiting, the decision which is coming up is the Ten of Wands. So somebody has to walk off and end this relationship. So decision is the Ten of Wands, which means that this person is ending this relationship, whosoever it is. With the Four of Swords being there, this person is definitely walking out of this relationship and focusing on healing. So it's not easy. For whatever it is happening over here is that one person is waiting for some sort of a decision, or waiting for the other person to show up. Perhaps other person is busy in their own emotional stability and healing themselves, and finally the other person, somebody here is making a decision to walk away. So the relationship doesn't seem to work out over here, Sagittarians. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels over here. What is the guidance from the universe? Miracles and blessings. Everything has its gift. Number 13 may be of some significance for you. So whatever has ended or is ending. You just need to learn the lessons what are required, because everything is a miracle and everything is a blessing. Everything has its own lessons. So Sagittarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.